Here comes a Colin. He's gonna come walk towards Mommy. There you go. Such a big boy. Such a big boy. Such a big boy. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Are you going to show us how you can stand without any hands? Not right now? Wow, and you're holding your juice. You're a talented little one. Yeah? Are you going to let go? You going to let go with both hands? Uh-huh. Really? What else do you have to say? Nothing? No. Okay. You want to wave? No? Nope. Okay.